Director of National Intelligence Tulsi Gabbard wrote to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday, paying homage to those who have been killed in the terror attack in the Jammu Kashmir's Pahalgam this week. She also said that America stands in solidarity with India in the wake of this horrific Islamist terrorist attack that killed Hindus. Also, the US spy chief extended Washington's full support to the New Delhi and told the Prime Minister Modi that we are with you and support you as you hunt down those responsible for this heinous attack. Also, 26 people, including a foreign national, were shot dead by the terrorists after they were asked to prove their allegiance to Islam. The targeted killings, which have been religiously motivated, have been condemned globally. Also, Kashmiris protested throughout the Union Territory, condemning the terror and blaming Pakistan for it, while fellow Indians were equally infuriated over the cowardly act. An investigation revealed that the links to the terrorists who were involved in the attack emerged from Pakistan and areas under its illegal occupation. Pakistan-based, that is the resistance force, that is the TRF, a shadow of the outfit of the banned terror group, that is Lashkar-e-Taiba, has also claimed the responsibility for the attack. India, in a statement on Wednesday, said that the top-level meeting on security chaired by the Prime Minister noted the cross-border linkages of the terrorist attack. The statement also said that the attack came in the wake of the successful holding of the elections in the Union Territory and a steady progress towards the economic growth and development. Pakistan worried about the military action. Let's see why. After implementing a slew of diplomatically punishing actions against Pakistan, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has vowed that India will hunt down the terrorists and those who support them to the ends of the world and push them beyond their imagination. Also, worried over a possible military offensive, Pakistan has taken measures like closing its airspace to the Indian flights and is on the high alert along the border regions. Reports also suggest that Pakistan has been carrying out round-the-clock air reconnaissance missions fearing the actions by India. Also, the global condemnation is also on the phone calls and the social media posts. Several global leaders, including the US President Donald Trump, Russia's Vladimir Putin, Israel's Netanyahu, France's Macron and Italy's Meloni, have all said that they support Prime Minister Modi in efforts to punish those who are responsible for this heinous